Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about interactive mode and script mode in Python programming. Firstly, we discuss about interactive mode in Python programming. When our input and output on the same screen, then we call it interactive mode. In interactive mode, code runs line by line immediately. When you type input statement, the interpreter executes the line and gives you output immediately. Now we see the example. Here we type print statement. Interrupters gives you output immediately below the input statement. Now we start with script mode in Python programming. In script mode, we written a code on Notepad and then save it with extension .py. In script mode, runs a full program written in a file and it is good for larger projects. And whereas interactive mode run code line by line immediately and it is good for quick tests. And you also remember that we save the script mode file in .py extension. Thank you.